Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best home coffee roasters that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the fatamorgana 450-gram direct-fired heating coffee roaster. This machine is all about durability and precision. Its stainless steel shell ensures a sturdy build that can withstand high temperatures without melting, even during deep roasting sessions. The 5mm thick quartz glass drum offers a clear view of the entire roasting process, allowing you to monitor the changing color of the beans from light to dark without needing to scoop samples. Performance-wise, this roaster uses a direct flame simulation roasting method, which promises better flavor development compared to hot air roasting. With a 450-gram capacity, it's versatile enough to roast coffee beans and other nuts like peanuts, pistachios, and cashew nuts. Cleaning is straightforward. Simply rotate the drum's spring screws to remove the quartz glass for easy maintenance. However, it's worth noting that the machine's substantial weight of 17 pounds makes it less portable than other models. While the fatamorgana roaster is packed with features, its limited customer reviews, 4.0 stars from only 7 ratings, suggest it hasn't yet gained widespread traction. It's ideal for enthusiasts who prioritize build quality and manual control, but might not be the best choice for beginners due to its heavier design and direct flame roasting method. Pros include durability and clear visibility during roasting, while cons are its heavy weight and niche appeal. Coming in at number 4 is the DYV Coffee Roaster Gas Burner Machine. This model is perfect for those who love hands-on roasting and want to see every step of the process. It features a quartz glass drum that allows for direct heating and a clear view of the beans as they roast. The 304 stainless steel frame and 201 stainless steel base ensure durability, while the wooden handle adds a touch of rustic charm. The DYV roaster is designed for 400 grams batches, but performs best with 200 to 300 grams at a time, making it a great choice for small-scale home roasting. The 12-volt motor offers a safe and efficient operation, and the included gas burner provides consistent heating. The manual operation gives you full control, but it also means this roaster is best suited for experienced users. One downside is that it lacks automation features, which might be a deal breaker for beginners. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 51 reviews, the DYV roaster is well received for its quality build and ease of use. That said, its higher price point and manual operation may not appeal to everyone. Pros include its durable build and clear visibility during roasting, while cons are its smaller batch size and lack of automation. At number 3, we have the JIAWANSHUN electric coffee bean roaster for home use. This model is all about versatility and ease of operation, making it a fantastic option for beginners. With an 800 grams capacity, it's large enough for small business use, but is best suited for 300 to 500 grams batches to ensure even roasting. The non-stick chassis simplifies cleaning, and the built-in stirring rod ensures consistent results. The adjustable thermostat ranges from 0 to 240 degrees Celsius, making it easy to customize your roast from light to dark. The transparent lid with a 4-hole ventilation system lets you watch your beans transform while enjoying optimal airflow. Beyond coffee beans, this roaster is capable of handling nuts, popcorn, and other small snacks, adding to its versatility. However, its manual operation mode means you'll need to keep an eye on the temperature and roasting process. With a 4.2-star rating from 160 reviews, this JIAWANSHUN model is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable and user-friendly coffee roaster. Pros include its large capacity and transparent lid for monitoring, while cons are its heavier weight and reliance on manual adjustments. At number 2 is the JIAWANSHUN Coffee Roaster Upgraded Electric Model. This machine builds on the features of its predecessor with a focus on user convenience. The adjustable temperature control system, 100 to 240 degrees Celsius, and timer make it easy to roast coffee beans to your preferred level, whether light, medium, or dark. Its transparent glass lid with ventilation holes allows you to observe the beans as they roast and smell the aroma as it develops. This roaster has an 800-gram capacity, but for the best results, it's recommended to stick to batches of 300 to 500 grams. The automatic mixing rod ensures even roasting, while the honeycomb non-stick pan bottom makes post-roast cleanup a breeze. It's versatile enough to roast nuts, popcorn, and other snacks, making it a multifunctional tool for your kitchen. However, the machine's build quality, primarily plastic and glass, might not feel as premium as some other options. With a 4.2-star rating from 471 reviews, this roaster is a favorite among coffee lovers for its ease of use and consistent results. Pros include its large capacity and automatic mixing rod, while cons are its less durable materials and slightly bulkier design. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nuvo Eco Ceramic Handy Coffee Bean Roaster. This compact, eco-friendly roaster is perfect for those who value simplicity and hands-on control. Made entirely of ceramic with a genuine cowhide grip, it's both stylish and functional. The waffle-shaped internal structure ensures even roasting, while the rear hole lets you enjoy the satisfying popping sound of the beans. The Nuvo roaster offers a small capacity of around 70 grams, making it ideal for personal use and small batches. Its lightweight, dishwasher-safe design makes it easy to clean and store. While it lacks the automation and large capacity of electric models, it more than makes up for it with its tactile roasting experience and portability. With a 4.5-star rating from 846 reviews, the Nuvo roaster is a favorite among coffee purists who enjoy the traditional manual roasting process. Pros include its eco-friendly design and even roasting, while cons are its smaller capacity and lack of automation features. It's the perfect choice for anyone seeking a hands-on, artisanal coffee roasting experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.